Jharkhand SI series. This is the set number 17. Let's begin with the question number first. Question number first is, for how many times Raghuvar Das, the Chief Minister of Jharkhand, has served as the member of Legislative Assembly of Jharkhand? How many times Raghuvar Das served as Legislative Assembly of Jharkhand? How many times? 5 times would be the right answer. Raghuvar Das became the Chief Minister of Jharkhand as a 10th Chief Minister of Jharkhand in 2014. Before becoming that, he worked in Tata Steel in Jamshedpur. Okay, let's move on the question number 2. Question number 2 is, which district of Jharkhand share its boundary with West Bengal and Odisha? Which district of Jharkhand who share their boundary with West Bengal and Odisha? Yeah, Purbi Singhbhum district who share their boundary with Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal and Odisha. झारखंड के कितने डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं जो उड़ीसा का who share their boundary with Odisha? There are 4 districts. How many districts of Jharkhand who share their boundary with West Bengal? 10 districts. With Bihar, 10 districts. With Chhattisgarh, 4 districts. With Uttar Pradesh, only 1 district, that is the Garhwa district, who share their boundary with Uttar Pradesh. Let's move on the further questions. What is the headquarter of Purbi Singhbhum district? Headquarter of Purbi Singhbhum district is in Jamshedpur. The founder of Jamshedpur is Nor Senwani Ji Tata. Which is the state bird of Jharkhand? State bird of Jharkhand is koel, and state tree of Jharkhand is sal, and state flower of Jharkhand is plus. Jharkhand is at which position in coal reserve in India? It is a second position. What about iron? It is a second position. Who is the first female governor of Jharkhand? Draupadi Murmu was the first female governor of Jharkhand. Okay, he served as the 9th governor of Jharkhand. He belongs to which district? He belongs to Odisha. Yeah. What is the literacy rate of Jharkhand as per the census 2011? The literacy rate of Jharkhand is 77.13%, highest in male and female. The lowest literacy rate lies in Pakul districts in male and female. Which of the following lakes is in Dhanbad? Topanchi lakes lies in the Dhanbad. What about Hudko lake? Hudko lake lies in Ranchi. Dimna lake lies in Jamshedpur. Yeah. What is the female literacy rate of Jharkhand as per the census 2011? The female literacy rate of Jharkhand is 55.42%. In male literacy rate is 76.84%. If you talk about the overall literacy rate of Jharkhand, then it is 66.41%. What is the total length of Baraka river? The total length of Baraka river is 225 km. Okay. Total length of Damodar river is 590. Yeah, Damodar river is also known as the Sorrow of Bengal. The most populated Jharkhand rivers. The longest river of Jharkhand. Yeah, Kosi river is known as Sorrow of Bihar. Yeah, what is the industrial capital of Jharkhand? Industrial capital of Jharkhand is in Jamshedpur. Yeah. In which of the following year the district of Saraikela Kharsawa was carved out from the West Singhbhum? Saraikela made a district in 2001. In 2001, Latehar district is also made. Name the leader who is associated with Tana Bhagat movement. Jatra Bhagat is associated with Tana Bhagat movement. Birsa Munda from Ulgulan movement. Raghunath Manji. No. Yeah. The Birsa Munda award is given to people who have made the state proud in the field of sports. Asunta Lakra is associated with which sport? Is hockey. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, cricketer. Yeah. Archery Deepika Kumari. Consider the following statement and identify the personality. He is distributed artist and residential of Dumka. His painting. The answer is Lalit Mohan Rai. Which of the following districts were selected for phase 1 implement of Tejaswini project? Yeah, Ramgarh, Dumka, Khuti and Chatra districts were selected in phase 1. Which of the following is not true about sport to training and employment program for women? Step: a monthly stipend of rupees 300 is paid to the beneficiary of the program. Yeah. Indian Institute of Natural Resources and Gums is situated in which of the following city? It is situated in Ranchi. Ranchi is also known as the city of waterfall. Jamshedpur is steel capital. Dhanbad is coal capital. Yeah. The total waterfall lies in Ranchi district is 7. The article related to the qualification of governor is 157. Yeah. President at union level has same function as that of governor in the state level. Okay. Damodar Valley corporations come into existence in 7 July 1948. Yeah. Which of the following river do not fall through the state of Jharkhand? Kadwa river do not fall from Jharkhand, not flow through the Jharkhand. Baraka river is falling through. Yeah. North river, Savarna-Rekha river. Savarna-Rekha river is also known as the Golden river. Yeah, as per the Jharkhand Economic Survey 2016, this is not latest questions. Okay, this is not very important. Jharkhand Area Autonomous Council (JAX) was set up in 9 August 1995. This question was asked in the 7th JPSC. It is a very important question. In Jharkhand, June 9 is commemorated Birsa Day. Birsa Munda was dead in 9th June 900. Bihar was separated from Bengal in 1912. Okay. The Jainism text, there is a reference of Lord Mahavir visited to Laura-e Yadganav, which means in Mundari, river of tear. Jhipli contents of Jharkhand is in imitations jewelry for girls. Panchayat Padwan is a tribal form of art associated with Santhal Pragna, is basically a attire for women. Thank you.